Hi folks, and welcome back to a very chilly mid-November lockdown Saturday morning. So we've been able to keep our workshops open, which is great because we've got a huge pile of work that we need to get through, lots and lots of installation and lots of customers to make happy. So here we've got a Maserati GranCabrio. It's a gorgeous car, second time we've seen it. We completed an audio upgrading a couple of months ago, which would be our sort of fairly standard Audison Voce, jail audio amplification, digital processor, soundproofing and subwoofer sort of setup. But actually this customer wanted to give it both barrels, so I decided to return to have extra amplification and in fact the exact same Audison Voce components which we installed up front, installed in the rear quarters for when they carry rear passengers. So that on its own is pretty cool. So let's just take a quick look at what we've done and recap. The last video we were unable to post on YouTube because unfortunately there was a track in the background which was copyrighted, so YouTube prevented us from playing the last video. So just go over it again. We've got Audison Voce components in the front, so it's a 6.5-inch woofer at the bottom behind the factory grille. We've got the Audison Voce tweeter at the top, which we can't put behind the factory grille in this car because it's way too directional. And we've done our 3-layer soundproofing system in the door. So 3-layer soundproofing is becoming a bit of a catchphrase I've noticed now. Good to see lots of other car audio dealers using the same sort of terminology. So hopefully that means that we're all doing the job right. So we soundproof the outer skin of the door, we soundproof the whole back of the door card, we soundproof the regulator and all the frame around that. There's a lot of work in those doors, you know, there really is a day's work just to fit those front components. We've kept the factory hedge in it, nothing wrong with that, and in fact we'd struggle to change it anyway in all honesty. It has full Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the sound quality is pretty damn good. This car had Harman Kardon, so it had a multi-channel amplifier and it uses 2 little subwoofers between the rear seats. Now, in the past, we've worked with those subwoofers, soundproofing and reinforcing that enclosure, and they generally have a little subwoofer in the front kick, but it turns out this doesn't have the sub in the front kick. So we took a different approach to this one. We've fabricated from scratch a enclosure down there to house a 10-inch subwoofer, which gives, sorry, I beg your pardon, an 8-inch subwoofer, which gives an amazing output of bass. Hopefully you can see some images here of how we've done it. Again, a lot of time in there, well over a day's work to build that enclosure, but we've lost no legroom whatsoever. The original carpet set, when you pull them up, there's a metal plate, and we've worked behind the metal plate, so no loss of legroom there. What you can't see is the identical Audison Voce components installed in the rear, so that's pretty damn impressive to have Voce components front and rear, but that's what we've done, and of course fully soundproof the rear quarters. Because of the amount of channels, it's a fully active system in this Harman Kardon. We've had to use an Audison Bit 1. Lovely processor, done exactly what we needed it to do, enables us to sum everything together, clean everything up, de-equalise, time align and tune the system to the car. And there's the classic DRC controller that works with the Bit 1. The amplifiers are tucked away in the boot. You've got now a Jail Audio 606 and in front of it you see the Bit 1. So there you go, that's quite a comprehensive installation. I'm not going to demonstrate the sound quality because the truth is you can't really tell through a mobile phone anyway, and we keep getting done for copyright. So trust me, this sounds amazing. It's a gorgeous car with a gorgeous sound system. If you fancy something similar and your GranCabrio or GT or whichever model it might be, don't hesitate to get in touch. 01279 757 218 or sales@audiofile-incar.co.uk. If you've enjoyed this video, you may want to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thank you.